Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am RottingRed. You can call me Red. We're doing makeup today as usual, and I haven't been speaking English for a minute, so if my accent sounds trash, it was already trash, then that's why, just cause the lack of practice, you know, nothing else, not the fact that I'm horrible at it, even though I got straight A's. Let's ignore that. And my sound thingy just made it sound lovely, love that. Anyway, you might be like, Red, why is your bridge bone, well, red? Yeah, it's because today we're doing a weird pride look. Happy Pride. I am a alphabet morphia myself. I label myself as queer, but practically I'm a lesbian, but I prefer queer just because, I don't know, it fits me well, that's why. But yeah, so we're doing a little pride moment today, and I got inspired by a TikTok. I cannot remember the name, but I remember putting the TikTok in my favorites, so I will absolutely link their socials and put like a little screenshot here. Screenshot, can you put it, please? Thank you. So yeah, we're gonna get started, and the red is part of it, hopefully. It's gonna be a bit of messy look. It's gonna be a bit of like glittery euphoria vibes. Also, I learned how to edit my photos euphoria vibes, and I'm so happy about it because it's so cool. But yeah, let's get started. look. What do you think? I like it a lot. I recently tried to do like this whole white eyebrows thing, and it's kind of cute. I'm vibing with it. It doesn't last very long just because it's like a hydro liner, so it's like water activated, but activated? Yeah, so. But yeah, I like it. I used like a whole bunch of shit. So yeah, but it's all like beauty-based stuff I used to. Fairy palette. And I'm knocking myself, and then Nikki Tutorials collab with Beauty Bay. And then I used the Bright, this one with Beauty Bay. Everything you need, Bright. I used both the matte and the one with shimmers in, but you can basically just use the one with shimmers in, I think. I might be lacking a blue then. But yeah, it's a rainbow with some shimmer on, and I also added like a bit of like craft glitter. Do not use craft glitter on your eyes. And if you do, no, I'm not responsible for that. Just FYI, it's like not my issue. That's your own problem. But yeah, what do you think? I love it. It's great. It's very. It kind of. I feel the queerness. It feels very like. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like comfortable. Very. You know. I don't know what else. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. And then if you liked it, you should leave a like. And if you want to see more, hopefully as soon as the weather gets not hot anymore, I might feel like I have more time to do videos. Like last few weekends, I've been busy. Like I had visitors today too. But yeah, I will get some more content out at some point. But I still have my other socials like Instagram and TikTok. So if you really want to see my face, you can go there. I complain a lot about movie stuff sometimes. It's very fun. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you had a nice day, a nice week, a nice year. No, wait, I hope you had a nice day, nice week, a nice month, and I hope we will have a nice year. I don't know. Why do I have to make this my catchphrase? Catchphrase? I think I'm gonna go now. Bye-bye.